welcome Reshma Hajiani.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Reshma, Salim, and Sayyid Hajiani. I would not be here without those two, right? So I have to say thank you to Almighty God, thank you to Hubert and HGI, thank you to Aki and Ronak Rupani, our upline and our mentor and our field builder. Thank you truly for putting us on your list and your leadership and guidance. Thank you to our entire team, Pinnacle Legends. Are they in the house here? Awesome! Nobody succeeds alone, right? So it takes a village for a person to get successful. So the theme for today is, for this event, is aggressiveness. So I want to bring out 3 key points that I could think of that how me or anyone else can become truly aggressive in the business. So the first one is, I really want you to write this down and ask yourself and be truthful to yourself, okay? Otherwise you will be cheating on yourself. Is this business your primary focus or secondary focus? You write that down. Is this business your primary focus or secondary focus? The reason I ask you this is because you cannot get aggressive results by keeping this as a secondary focus. Even if you are a part-timer, do you have a full-time mentality? Are you really focused on it? So that is very, very important. The second point that I really want to tell you is, weed the garden of your life. What do I mean by that? Weed the garden of your life. Please stay away from all the negativity, all the toxicity. Stay away from people who pull you down. Time is short anyways, okay? You don't want to get stuck and trapped in all those things. Stay away from that. Place yourself around growth-oriented people, people who pull you up, around the growth-oriented environment. You know, how many of you feel that in this convention, whoever you see or whoever you talk to, are they smiling? Is everybody smiling? Is everybody happy? Is everybody positive? We are all crazy people here. And it takes craziness to become successful, isn't it? Average people don't become successful. So welcome to the crazy club here. So that is the kind of environment you really want to be in. And then the last point that I want to bring out today is victor versus victim mentality. Can you score yourself? Do you have a victor mentality or do you have a victim mentality? Now, how are you going to score this? So let me ask you this. Are you still thinking, even if you're not saying loud, but are you still thinking that, will I be able to do this? Do I have that personality? Do I have that skills? I'm an introvert. You know, I don't have skills. I don't have a market. I don't have a network. I have upline problems. I have downline problems. I have client problems. Are you saying all those things? Then you're still stuck in a victim mentality. Stop discussing problems. Can we start focusing on figuring out solutions? How long are we going to discuss all these things? When are we going to start figuring and thinking about solutions? Can you stop thinking about problems? Can we start thinking about solutions? Instead of saying, I have this problem, can we change the question? Can we say, how can I overcome this? Can we change our mental vocabulary? Can we change our mental script? Then only our life and business is going to change, right? So, how many of you are planning to become aggressive this year? You are? Okay, let me test it. Okay. Let me tell you what is the true definition of aggressiveness. Now, one of the things is Aki already told yesterday and mentioned multiple times, 20 recruits in 30 days. I honestly confess, I have not done that yet. Okay, I am guilty of that and I give that accountability to my mentor Aki, but I want to fight for it this time for sure. But let me tell you this another definition of aggressiveness. Okay, if you are planning to be really aggressive this year, I want all of you to stand up and repeat this after me. All those who are really planning to be aggressive this year, okay? If you are, it's your business, your life. I want you all to repeat this after me, okay? Either I will find a way or make one. How did you feel when you said this? Don't you feel independent and free? I'm not dependent on anybody for somebody to come and solve my problems. I can do it. I'll find a way. If there's not a way, I'll make one. Do you feel good about it? That is the true definition of aggressiveness. So all I want to tell you and end with this, may 2025 be the year for all of us, the year that we always wish for. Thank you so much. All the best. I'll see you on stage and I'll see you all on Leaders Grow.